All right, y'all, we've been on vacation for about 6 days or so. I have not seen the backyard. I have not looked at the backyard. So when I turn around, we're gonna see the backyard. Well, you're already seeing the backyard. So I don't know how it looks, but we're about to find out. So let's have a little fun. This is gonna be a short video with me getting back, trying to get back into the swing of recording and everything and all that. So sit back, relax. Let's check this out together. You're gonna see my reaction. Hopefully everything's green and alive. All right, yeah, well, the corn looks pitiful. Everything looks really good. Oh, so nothing is up the wall anymore. Remember I had stuff growing all the way up there? So that's down. Let's see, I've got JoJo looking at me like, hey, you're home. Can I come outside? That dog. All right, let's just take our sweet time here. Peppers are looking good. Serranos are looking good. Y'all, these Thai soldier beans are insane. Look at how far they stretch. All the way over there. You can see critter damage all on that. I wonder how the peppers are. Yep. Check out those peppers right there. See them? Those look good. All right. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Let's keep going. Still no pepper on this purple reaper. I don't understand that. Okay, so if there's any pepper heads out there, tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I need to do to get this thing to produce some flowers. It's kind of driving me nuts. Corn is not looking the best. It's all right though. We got some beautiful zinnias right there. Sunflowers need to be pulled out. I know I said that last week before I left. Check out this wisteria, looking beautiful. All right, I'm not gonna turn this into a garden tour. All right, I'm not gonna turn this into a garden tour. Not fully. Look, we got another one to harvest. 2 more loofahs to harvest right there. Maybe I'll do a video on that, specifically on the, oh, check it out. Got a Tigger melon that's ripe. If it's not been done, oh, we got lucky, y'all. Woo, it smells so good. We got lucky on that one. Really thought this would have been gone when I saw it just now. Oh, there's another one. Oh shoot, we got another one. Right there. Another little one. Look at that. Nice. Let's set these off to the side real quick. Let's see, ghost pepper still looking good. Growing. Wish there was a lot more of these. I'm really gonna have to focus on 2026 really producing peppers. This is kind of driving me nuts. It's like I have these peppers growing, but they're not really producing. It's all right though. It's all right though. Let's look in here. These Iote squashes are all looking great. That one is about ready to harvest. Starting to change the colors. I'm gonna have to harvest that soon. These peppers are looking good. Look at all them. It's Tabascos. See if there's any yellow reapers growing. Of course not. Why would they? The Kajari melon is still, that Kajari melon is still not ripe. Really thought that might have been ripe by now. Man, there's another Iote squash there. Let's see what happened. See if something pulled. There's another one up there. We got this thing that's not growing anymore. Another Iote squash. Y'all, these Iote squashes are just growing insane. Okay, let's keep going real quick here. Let's check out the tomatoes. Bet there's a hornworm or something in here somewhere. I haven't been here 6 days to patrol. Let's see. No? For 5 days. Not even sure how long. we were gone. I think it was 6 days, 5 days. Yeah, I don't know. It was a lot of fun. My girlfriend, her family, her daughters, grandkids, brother, Darian, and all of us went somewhere. That will be announced a little bit down the road. And you'll see why when I announce it. Okay, when I left, these bean plants weren't as big as they are now. These are some cowpeas, some new cowpeas, and then these are some black-eyed peas. So I need to get more trellises over here quick. That is my first pea plant. Nope, that is my first peanut plant right there. And I was really hoping there'd be a lot more of those when I got back, but there's not. So I'm actually kind of disappointed in that. So I planted a lot of peanuts, like y'all saw in that peanut video. But we got one. All right, so be it. All right, let's look on the back side of all these tomato plants that seriously need to be addressed. These beautiful zinnias. Just so many of them, y'all. Lots and lots of okras. I mean, look at those, y'all. Hill Country Reds, Star of David okras all through here. Now some of these are all too big, obviously. Like this is too big, so these will start being saved for seeds. These Orange Jing okras. Louisiana 16-inch okras. And then I'm gonna put the name of this okra up on the screen. Look how big these leaves are. Crazy. These are from Africa. Look at these right here. It's beautiful okra pods. And these are all watermelons vines. Come on, Chad. Watermelon vines. I would love to see a watermelon in here somewhere. But no. The one I had, the rain destroyed it. Okay. Okay, so the garden looks really good. Look at that big giant loofah just pulling this whole plant down. That's funny. Y'all, I've got loofahs everywhere. Got eggplants. Check out that Casper. Another Casper. All these mint plants flowering right there. The Satsuma. Sweet potatoes looking good. All right, so everything looks good. Me being gone didn't really affect anything. But you know, as a gardener, whenever you leave, you're always a little stressed on what you're gonna find when you come back. But hey, you can't beat that right there, right? I've got a lot to do starting tomorrow out here, obviously. Look at everything I have to harvest. There's a lot to harvest, deal with, start preparing my seeds for fall. I've got some inside. Sorry, I'm looking at a bumblebee. Kind of going crazy over here. Stuff like that. So now that I'm back here in Texas, Spring, Texas, Zone 9A, getting back into the swing of things, and we will start getting more videos coming out shortly. So y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.